Good afternoon everyone. Today we will talk about how to find out the chemical formula of a particular element if valency is known to you and symbol of element is known to you. In my previous videos I have already explained you how to find out the valency from atomic number 1 to 21. Before starting the video I would request you to like, subscribe and share my channel. These are some of the common ions which you can see on the table, also called polyatomic ions. As the name suggests, poly means many, atom smallest particle that can take part in a chemical reaction. Some of the examples which you need to memorize: phosphate ion, PO4 with valency 3 minus. Sodium and potassium ion valency you can calculate with the help of my previous videos. Ammonium ion, NH4 positive. Magnesium ion Mg2 positive. Calcium copper, Cu2 positive. Zinc, Zn2 positive. Iron 2 is Fe2 positive, that is also known as, there are two, ferrous and ferric. Ferrous is Fe2 plus and ferric is Fe with valency 3 plus. Aluminium chlorine bromine, its valency is 1 minus. Sulfate, again a radical, SO4 with valency 2 minus. Hydroxide, OH with valency minus. Nitrate ion, NO3 with valency, nitrate, it's NO3 with valency 1 minus, right? NO3 with valency 1 minus. Oxide, O2 negative. Oxygen with valency 2 minus. Sulfur, sulfate is SO4 with valency 2 minus. Sulfide is S with valency 2 minus. Carbonate, CO3 with valency 2 minus. If more radicals will come, I'll give you more examples with the help of which you can find out their chemical formula. If you have to break a given compound into ions, how you will break it? Sodium chloride, formula is NaCl. Na plus cation is there and Cl minus chloride anion is there in it. Potassium chloride, KCl. K positive is the cation and Cl minus is the anion. Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl is the formula. NH4 positive is the cation present in it and Cl minus is the anion present in it. Magnesium chloride, formula is MgCl2. Mg2 plus is the cation and Cl minus is the anion. Calcium chloride, CaCl2. Ca2 positive is the cation in it and Cl negative is the anion in it. Magnesium oxide, MgO. Mg2 positive is the cation in it and O2 negative is the anion in it. Calcium oxide, CaO. Ca2 plus is the cation in it and O2 negative is the anion in it. Aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Al3 plus is the cation in it and O2 negative is the anion in it. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Na positive is the cation in it and OH negative is the anion in it. Copper sulfate, CuSO4. Cu2 positive is the cation in it and SO42 negative is the anion in it. And last but not the least, calcium, it's calcium nitrate. Ca2 positive. Formula is Ca bracket NO3 whole twice. Ca2 positive. Calcium 2 positive is the cation in it and NO3 negative is the anion in it. So my dear students, with the help of this, these are some of the common ions and ionic compounds. Now mainly we will talk about how to find out the formula of a compound if you know the valency, its symbol, then how you can find out the formula of a particular compound. For that you need to be more focused. I'll take some of the examples. First of all, by myself, I'll tell you the name of the different compounds and we'll find out their formulas. Okay. Class, just I'll give you one of the examples. I need a page, blank page. I'll give you some of the examples with the help of which you can make formulas. And this is very important topic, my dear students, because it is helpful in class 10th as well. If you don't know how to make the chemical formula of a particular compound, you can't do balancing, which is there in the first chapter, chemical reaction and equation of class 10. So please pay attention. Okay. Calcium carbonate, I told you. There are two names in chemistry. One is common name, another is calcium carbonate or marble. First of all, you should know the symbol for it. What is the symbol of calcium? Ca. Carbonate is CO3. Now you should know the valency of this. Please take pick in between of this when I write, right? Later on. Calcium, its atomic number is 20. Electronic configuration is 2882. Valence electron are 2. It's a metal. In case of metal, valency is equal to the number of valence electron. And all metals have positive valency. This is a radical. It is of negative valency. When this 2 and 2 is there, cut it. 2 1 2 1. Then this is called crisscross concept, my dear students. Criss-cross concept. Why so? Because Ca will, now I have to find out. This is called crisscross concept because Ca will get multiplied this 1 and CO3 also with 1 because subscript is 1 in both the cases. So formula for calcium carbonate is CaCO3, right? Next, formula of magnesium nitrate. Please keep in mind this will be same symbol, valency and the previous two tables which we have drawn are from Lakshmi Singh. You can see different valencies and valencies of radicals from Lakshmi Singh and NCERT in both the tables are given, right? Okay, magnesium. The symbol of magnesium is Mg, capital M, small g according to Berzelius. Nitrate is NO3. It's a radical nitrate, its valency is 1 minus. Magnesium is atomic number 12. Electronic configuration 282. Valence electron 2. And it is a metal, so its valency will also be 2. So magnesium valency is 2. Again, crisscross. Now this is Mg1. In bracket you will write down because this is a polyatomic ion. So you will write down in bracket. Don't write 1 को नहीं लिखते बेटा. Formula is MgNO3 whole twice. So the formula for magnesium nitrate is MgNO3 whole twice. Similarly, you will find out more formula such as aluminium phosphate. Aluminium phosphate. Phosphate is a radical which always creates some kind of disturbance. Symbol, valency and chemical formula, this will remain same. Please always write down, huh? You can note it down side by side, class 9. Aluminium phosphate. Aluminium is Al, phosphate is PO4. Aluminium is number 13, atomic number 13, electronic configuration 283. Valence electron are 3 in case of aluminium. It's a metal, so valency of metal is equal to number of valence electron. So aluminium valency is 3 plus, whereas phosphate is 3 minus. So formula of aluminium phosphate is AlPO4, right? One more, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, common name is lakeline. Symbol, valency and chemical formula. My dear students, calcium, it's Ca, hydroxide is OH, symbol is OH. Calcium valency is 2 plus. Its atomic number is 20. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 2. Valence electron are 2. It's a metal. So in case of metal, you know valency is equal to number of valence electron. Hydroxide is 1. Crisscross. It's Ca1 bracket OH whole twice. So it's CaOH whole twice. Calcium hydroxide for you. Okay. Now question number 5th. Magnesium nitride. Sometimes this is very famous formula. Magnesium nitride. Okay, symbol of magnesium is Mg and nitride is capital N. Nitrogen is for nitride. Valency, magnesium is atomic number 12. Electronic configuration 282. Valence electron 2. Valency is equal to 2 plus. It's a metal. In metal, valency is equal to number of valence electron. Nitrogen, atomic number 7. Electronic configuration 2, 5. Valence electron 5. It's a non-metal. So valency is equal to 8 minus 5, 3. So valency is 3 minus. Crisscross. Mg3 N2. That is magnesium nitride for you. Okay. Similarly, we can find out formulas for different elements. You should know the valency and symbol. That is the main thing. Magnesium nitride. Some more formulas for you, such as magnesium sulfate. I hope we haven't done it. Magnesium sulfate. Symbol Mg, and here is SO4. Valency, it's 2 plus and SO4 is 2 minus. Cut this. So the chemical formula is MgSO4. MgSO4 for magnesium sulfate. Take the pic of this, a clear pic. I'm rubbing this, my dear class. Hope you have noted down all this. Have you taken the pic?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm rubbing this. I'll upload the pics as well. And if you need notes of this, my dear students, you can call me at 4 times 926 4700. Notes, you can download it from my Facebook page as well. Or you can call me if you're facing any problem. Okay class, now we will discuss some problems from Lakmeet Singh, some typical problems from Lakmeet Singh. Now you know how to make chemical formula, that you know. Now we will do some of the unsolved questions from Lakmeet Singh. I'll write down the question here as well. It's on page number 151. Page number 151, Lakmeet Singh, right? Okay, question number 13. Find the formula for sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. You know the formula is SO2, but how that formula will come? Sulfur shows 3 valencies. One is 2 plus, 2 minus, 4 and 6. Here we are using valency 4 in case of, because it is dioxide. 2 1 the 2 2 the crisscross. So the formula of sulfur dioxide is SO2. If sulfur trioxide, then valency 6 will come of sulfur. Formula for sulfur trioxide is SO3. So this is one of the question. Now please see question number 15. Lakmeet Singh, I am reading question for you. An element X has a valency of 4, where another element X has a valency of 1. X और Y की valency आपको given है. X की 4 है और Y की 1 है. What will be the formula of the compound formed between X and Y? X और Y के बीच में जो कंपाउंड बनेगा उसका केमिकल फॉर्मूला आपको बताना है. You can do these questions side by side along with me. Crisscross formula is X1Y4 or simply XY4. Both X and Y are in capital letters. You keep that thing in mind, right? See question number 16. An element B shows valencies of 4 and 6. Write the formula of its two oxide. The valency of B is given to you either 4 or 6. इसके ऑक्साइड्स का फॉर्मूला बताना बेटा. अगर B की वैलेंसी मैं 4 लेता हूं, ऑक्सीजन की हमेशा 2 ही होती है, 2 1 दा 2 2 दा, क्रिस क्रॉस B1O2 और सिंपली BO2 is the formula. Similarly, second part, valency of B is 6 and oxygen is 2 minus, 2 1 da 2 3 da. So formula is B1O3 or simply BO3. Right? This is how you can find out the formulas. Okay, my dear students, one more question is there, different one, 21st question. We have to find out, I am doing 21st question, second part. We have to find out formula mass of Al2O3 and atomic masses of aluminium and oxygen are given to us. Formula mass of this would be 2 into atomic mass of aluminium because 2 atoms of aluminium are there, 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. Atomic mass of aluminium is 27, which is given to us. Aluminium is 27, oxygen is 16. 27 to the 54 plus 48. 102U. If you will express this in grams, then it would be the gram formula mass, right? One more question of different type, 22nd. We have to name the compound and further we have to write the name of the ions which are present in it. Please see. CuSO4. Can you guess its name? Yes. Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Ions present in it. Obviously, one cation and anion are there in it. Cu2 plus and sulfate ion. This is cupric ion, Cu2 plus and sulfate ion. SO4 2 negative is present in it. B part is NH4 whole twice SO4. Any guesses with the name? Ammonium sulfate is the name. Ammonium sulfate. NH4 positive. You can write down 2 NH4 positive if you want to write down. And SO4, that is ammonium ion, my dear students. And this is sulfate ion present in it. Next, Na2O. Name of Na2O is sodium oxide. Na2O, sodium oxide. Na positive and O2 negative is there in it. Similarly, Na2CO3, name is sodium carbonate. Here Na positive, sodium ion and carbonate ion. CO3 2 negative, carbonate ion is present in it. And last, CaCl2, name is calcium chloride. Cu2 positive and 2 Cl negative. 2 chloride ions are there in it, right? This is how you can find out the formula. Okay. Similarly, in 23rd E part, I am doing it for you. Cation and anion बताने हैं. CH3COONA. नाम है इसका बेटा सोडियम एसीटेट. या आप इसे सोडियम इथेनोएट भी कह सकते हैं। अब ये थोड़ा सा उल्टा है, इसमें जो रेडिकल है CH3COO नेगेटिव तो कटायन है, अनायन है सॉरी, और Na पॉजिटिव कटायन है, इसे एसीटेट आयन कहते हैं। प्लीज फोकस ऑन दिस इज कॉल्ड एसीटेट आयन। NaCl, you know, सोडियम क्लोराइड, NaCl, कॉमन सॉल्ट, नमक जो हम खाते हैं, Na positive, sodium ion and chloride ion are there in it. Next is ammonium nitrate, D part. I am doing only the typical ones for you. That is called ammonium nitrate. NH4 positive ammonium ion and nitrate, NO3 negative nitrate ion. Please take the pic of this. Okay, I'm rubbing the left hand side. You need this pics, I'll upload this with the video in the comment section. Further, if you need notes of class 9th, you can call me. Okay class, see this. I hope you have taken the pic of this. Okay, class, please see. Yeah. Now we will discuss some more questions such as 26 question B part. Lakmeer Singh, page number 152. Different valencies are given to you of sodium ion, ammonium, calcium, lead, and you have to make formulas. So first part of this is sodium phosphate. Let me write down first of all the parts. Chalo, we'll make the formula side by side. Sodium, symbol is Na, valency is 1 plus. Phosphate, PO4 with valency 3 minus. Crisscross, formula is Na3PO4 of sodium phosphate. Second is ammonium sulfate. The symbol of ammonium is NH4, valency is 1 plus. Sulfate, it's SO4 with valency 2 minus. Crisscross. Now you know the pattern, I need not to tell you. Here symbol will come, here valency, and here chemical formula will come, right? So formula of ammonium sulfate is NH4 whole twice, SO4. Third part is calcium hydroxide. Calcium is 2 plus, hydroxide is 1 minus, Ca1 simply Ca, OH whole plus, calcium hydroxide, and lead bromide. Lead bromide. लेड में दो होते हैं बेटा, प्लम्बस प्लम्बिक. प्लम्बस में 1 है वैलेंसी +1, प्लम्बिक में 2 है. यहाँ पर लेड की वैलेंसी सिंबल है Pb, ब्रोमाइड इज Br, लेड की 2 प्लस भी है, ब्रोमाइड ब्रोमीन की 1 माइनस. सो फॉर्मूला ऑफ लेड ब्रोमाइड Pb, Br2 is the chemical formula of it, right? Similarly, see one more question, 29 question B part. There is an element whose valency is given, Y is the name. Its valency of Y is 4. We have to find the formula of its chloride. Y की 4 है, क्लोरीन की आपको पता 1 होती है, 2877 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, इट्स अ नॉन मेटल, 8 - 7 1. तो फॉर्मूला आ गया YCl4. Y के ऑक्साइड का बताना. Y की 4 दे रखी है, ऑक्सीजन की 2 होती है, 2 कट कर दो, Y1O2 और सिंपली YO2। सल्फेट का बताना है Y के। Y की वैलेंसी 4 दे रखी है, सल्फेट की 2 माइनस, कट इट, Y ब्रैकेट SO4 होल ट्वाइस। कार्बोनेट Y की 4 दे रखी है, कार्बोनेट है CO3 विद वैलेंसी 2 माइनस, कट इट, by CO3 होल ट्वाइस। नाइट्रेट Y की 4 दे रखी है, नाइट्रेट इज NO3 विद वैलेंसी 1 माइनस। So class, if you know the formulas, you can easily